In this video, we are going to discuss about the bearish engulfing. In last video, we have already discussed about bullish engulfing. Bearish engulfing is exactly opposite to bullish engulfing. In bullish engulfing, the inside candle is the red candle. I am considering this as a red candle or bicolor because red candle is always selling candle, and the other candle is green candle, just like this one in bullish engulfing. But in bearish engulfing, it's completely opposite. The inside candle, the child candle, we can say that, is inside to the red candle. This is the pattern for the bearish engulfing. Okay, let's take an example. Here you can check the open and close of this candle is almost or below for the bearish candle. Now, how to measure this? In some books, some great authors are saying that one, always check the body, and in some books someone saying that one, always check the low and high. Actually, it depends on, both are correct. Because of that time frame, market is not moving this one, not moving upside or directly candle opened below this one. That's why it happened in bullish or bearish candlestick or bullish and bearish patterns. But take aside of this all the points, what we need to do, we just need to mark high, mark low, and check the green candle is inside the bearish candle, and yes, it's inside the bearish candle. Now, how to trade with bearish engulfing? Just look at this. We just need to mark high and the low, make an entry at the low point, made stop loss above this one, and just wait for your target. If you check here image, on what basis they selected the target? They selected the target based on the swings. Suppose market created this much swing, then what they did is, this is one support, so first target is, this is another support, because from taking this support, market moved upside. How to decide this swing? That is also we are covering after the trend, drawing the trend lines, how to decide this support and resistance. But for now, you can just consider entry points. Your stop loss should be above this line and your entry point is below this line. Now, when it will exactly work, or when it will work very good, suppose market is at higher level and this is the resistance zone. At the resistance zone, it will work very best in the sense, there is a high chances that you will get enough profit. Whenever you can see some bullish candle is inside the bearish candle, then you will definitely get the good profit. Now let's take an example from our regular daily charts. Let me show you the example in the live market. I already shortlisted some examples. See here. If you mark, this is the bullish candle, right? As I know, Indian market are running all-time high now when I am recording this video. How? Just bear with me for a second. I will show you. See, if you check, Indian market is almost running all-time high because we are at this position. We are finding out at this position, right? We are recording video at this position, and market moved almost this much. So it's a very big rally. That's why it's easier to find out the bullish engulfing or pattern related to the bearishness, because selling is always start from the above, or we can say that selling is always start from the top side. Now what I meant to say is, just zoom in, you will get to know that one, this is the bullish candlestick and market is already at resistance zone. How I know? Because if you mark this one, you will get to know that market is exactly reversed up from here. That means high chances that market will again reverse up from here, or it will break from here. But how I confirm that market will reverse from here? First, I checked this is the bullish candlestick, but the next candlestick is bearish one, and which is enclosed or which is bigger than this green candlestick, that means it's a bearish engulfing, right? It's bearish engulfing. It's a confirmation. What you need to do, you just need to mark high and low, make entry at this point, make stop loss here. Then you will easily get the good and decent profit. Now check the another example. Look at this one. As I said earlier, our market is all-time high. That's why it's easier to find out the bearish engulfing. Just mark high, just mark low, take an entry here, put stop loss here. There is a low chances that your stop loss may hit in the bearish engulfing, or if you are buying at bottom side, then it's a bullish engulfing. Now let's take a very good example where we got a decent profit. Just here, mark high, mark low. If you check, most of the candle are in this zone, right? If this type of candle is forming, like if it's bearish engulfing as well as it's covering multiple green candles, that means now market is preparing for a very good downfall. Always remember these things. You will get these things when you can observe the market by yourself. See, this much fall you got. This is very big fall as as compared to others, because it's almost from the 38,100 to 37,300. It's again almost 800 to 900 points rally. That's it. Bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing is, hope it's clear for you. Now the question is the time frame. As I said, bullish engulfing work in 10 minutes. Same, bearish engulfing is also work based in the 10 minutes time frame, right? And this time frame is also clear for you. Now some of the student having the question, how we can mark, like can we mark a body or can we mark high and low? Actually, if you ask me, what I am doing is, I am just checking the shape. If this low is too way long, then what I am doing is, I am preferring to mark the body itself. Body is also correct. But suppose if this bullish candle is like this only, then again I need to mark the high and low based on the bullish candle sign. Same for the bullish engulfing as same for the bearish engulfing. Hope this is the clear for you. Again I am telling, if you have any doubt, you can just drop a comment in the comment section with the screenshot if possible. Thanks.